Hey there, Ben Lipper here. This version of Huey just got 84 points in 1 minute. Go ahead and check out Super Huey. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, maybe that's something I'm interested in building, there's a link underneath this video. Go in the description and there's a link. You click it, enter your email address. I will send you step-by-step instructions for almost all of this robot. And I'll also send you some details on the simple modifications I made to make this guy even better. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're saying, hey, Ben, my robot looks like that, but it's not scoring 84 points in a minute. Go and click the link under the video in that description, enter your email address, and I'm going to send you the modifications that I made to this robot so you can see this is not a normal Huey. There's some modifications made to a funneling mechanism and the elevator stronger and a bunch of other things, basically to make this guy quite a bit better. The point is, with these modifications, I'm actually driving this robot. Usually it's Joseph who drives in my videos. I'm not as good as Joseph. I'm driving here, and I still got 84 points. So like I said before, go ahead, click the link in the description, enter your email address. I'll send you all the details that you need. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.